This video tutorial I will explain CRUD operations. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update and Delete. CRUD is a set of basic operations that can be performed on the data in a database or any other storage system. First one is create. Imagine you have a blank notebook. Creating is like writing something new in that notebook. For example, if you are keeping a list of your favorite movies, creating would be adding a new movie to the list. The second one is read. Reading is like looking at the contents of your notebook. If you want to know which movies on your list, you would read through the entries in your notebook. Third one is update. Updating is like changing something in your notebook. Let's say you misspelled the name of the movie. Updating would be correcting that mistake. The fourth one is delete. Deleting is like removing something from your notebook. If you decide you don't like a particular movie anymore, you would delete it from your list. Now we will see real world example related to CRUD operations. Imagine you have a digital address book on your phone. Creating is like adding a new contact to your address book. Reading is like checking the details of an existing contact, like their phone number or address. Update is like changing the contact information. For instance, if they move to the new city. Delete is like removing a contact that you no longer need in your address book. So CRUD is like the essential toolkit for managing information, creating new entries, reading existing ones, updating them when things change, and deleting when you no longer need them. CRUD is a fundamental concept in databases and computer systems. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.